nice day. So I'm here to talk to you about our newest pattern, the Salma dress. So we have wanted to bring in, we wanted to start the year off with a pattern that is going to suit all of our lives at the moment, which is working from home and staying at home a lot more. So it needed to be comfy. I wanted it to be an easy make as well, so that we're building up our sojo as we go into the new year, and also that would be quite versatile and give you options to have your own kind of take on it. So I am wearing it in its simplest form, which is with the round neck. I've also made the short version, and I think it's quite short on me, but it's worth noting that I am 5'7", so that's where it's hitting on me. So we've had quite a few requests recently about my size, as in what size am I, because that helps people reference what they should be making. So we're going to try and talk about that a bit more. So currently I am a size 10 with slightly bigger on the bottom area. So my measurements are 34.5 inch on the bust, 27.5 inch on the waist, and 39.5 on the hip. So for this, I made a size 10, and I just very slightly graded it out by about 0.5 centimetre on either side to allow for my bum, but it didn't really need much grading based on this kind of fit for those measurements. So this length though is great for wool tights, or if you wanted to wear it with leggings, and I'm going to be doing a styling video all about that, so check that out on Instagram. But just to talk you through some of the features of the pattern over here. So the difference from this to other kind of jersey top dresses that we have got in our mix is that it's got a bust dart here. Now this was really important for us because we wanted to add shape. I really wanted it to be defined, so it's not just kind of big loose dress with no shaping. It has got shaping, so it means those of you with a fuller bust, you've got that bust dart in there, you know that that's going to make it easier to fit you. But also we've got shaping at the waist, so it's not straight, it does shape in at the waist, and I love that. I love having a bit of definition at the moment. You know, I always like a bit of definition, but I think we're all in a lot of looser things, so it's nice to wear something that's casual but has got shape to it. And this is made out of a French terry, the one that I'm wearing, and I'm going to talk to you a bit more about fabrics in a bit, but it's so comfy, really lovely and soft, and excuse me, very warm as well. Behind me is another version of it. This was shot on our model Salma, who we named the pattern after. She's our front cover model for this pattern, and you can see there's different options on this one. So you've got the roll neck, which I'm very excited about, certainly for this time of year. So we've got the roll neck, which is just you can attach that instead of the neckband. And we've also got a puff sleeve, which is a bit more of a contemporary sleeve head. So if you wanted a bit more drama, you could do that. And then I don't have the version with me, but there is also a version that we modelled on the wonderful cat that is V-neck, that's got a V-neck band. And I'm hoping that I'm going to use that version for the sew along that will be going live. Well, you guys might be watching, you may have watched this afterwards, but there will be a sew along up there on YouTube of me. It's a two-parter of me sewing up the Salma with you. So yeah, lots of options, and all of those interchangeable. So you could do a longer dress with that neckline, or you could do the V-neck and add the sleeve, or do this regular sleeve. There really is a lot of options. Now this is our classic Roma Ponte, which we have in quite a few colours. I just recently bought in some more colours, so you've got more options. We've got it in royal blue. Those of you that know our fabric range, we've had that before. It's a gorgeous, really popping royal blue. We've got it in red. We've got it in emerald, which is also one of the sample fabrics that we made it up in for Samantha. And also we've got it in the black and the navy. So it's a really good quality Roma Ponte, and I always recommend it for beginners because it's a really lovely Ponte to work with. And then we've got two sweatshirting fabrics. So we've got this one in the grey, which is tubular, which means that there's no selvage, it's kind of on a tube, but it's perfect actually for this, because then you've got two folds to cut your fabric, your front and your back on. So we've got that, and we've also got it in khaki, which I really like. And then we've also got these fabrics. So we've got the puppy tooth, which is really lovely. And I'm recording this, I'm hoping these are still in stock, but you may be watching these and they may have flown off the window. flown off the window, flown off the shelf. But yeah, this has got a bit more drape to it, so it would hang slightly differently, but it still is a Roma Ponte. And then I've got another one, there's two designs of this, and this is a little bit more structured, but it's slightly thinner. So it's another perfect fabric for this, and really nice for the colours for this time of year as well. So hopefully there's some fabrics on there, along with other fabrics that we had. Definitely got a couple of striped pontes on our site that would be perfect. And we'll link to them in the description box below so you can take a look at them. But there, this is the Salma dress. I'm hoping that it will be a welcome pattern to your both sewing machines and your wardrobes at the moment. Check out the styling video on Instagram to see how I'm styling it and what I'm pairing it with. And don't forget to share your Salma dresses on Instagram using the hashtag SOI Salma dress. And I can't wait to see them. Looking forward to seeing them pop up on my feed. Anyway guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to us, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.